Welcome to the 2017 Student Learning Expo. Visiting us in the studio today are Dr. Parr, Mrs. Hollis, Mrs. Gaiman, and Mrs. Mest, the curriculum coordinators for the district. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you for having us. We are thrilled to be here.
I understand this year's Student Learning Expo has a different feel to it. Can you describe how this year's Expo is different from last year's?
Yes, in the past we have held the Student Expo at the high school and invited our community to come in and see various student projects on display. This year, in keeping with our theme of presenting 21st century teaching and learning in an online format, we are presenting our Expo the same way. Presenting projects virtually allows us to involve even more students and a different array of learning experiences. This year, PVTV students have created a virtual learning showcase of groups of students throughout our district from elementary school through high school.
Our PVTV high school students have been learning about the ins and outs of video production. We thought it would be a great testament to their skills if they produced the segments for this year's Student Expo. Students showcasing students.
Tell us about some of the segments we can expect to see.
We really wanted to provide a glimpse of our students' learning day. There is a wide variety of subjects, elementary, middle school, and high school. With each segment, we spoke with students and teachers, focusing our conversation around these questions. What are you learning? How are you learning it? And why are you learning it?
For example, this year in math, we have adopted new resources in our classrooms, K through 8. An emphasis of the new program incorporates problem solving. Several clips focus on students engaging in productive struggle in their math classes and problem-solving strategies.
You will see how some of our elementary students are learning about the research process. We visit a second grade classroom where they are researching presidents using various sources. Additionally, we visit some fifth grade classrooms where they experience an extensive research project combining social studies and language arts. They do a project on colonial history, focusing on their oral presentation skills, persuasive writing skills, and teamwork and collaborative skills. We will see writing happening in different ways across schools. Even our youngest students are learning to write to communicate their thoughts. We have a fifth grade classroom that has created a song to help them craft their written responses to literature.
Our secondary experiences range from student learning in world languages, to reading and writing experiences, to technology learning integrated within different content areas.
The first segment is a behind-the-scenes look at the making of these videos. If you've ever wondered how a news segment comes together for a nightly TV broadcast, this is a sneak peek at how it's done. High school students will describe how they shot the video and edited together for the final production.
Can you describe for our audience how they can access each of the segments?
Please check out all the videos under the playlist titled Students Showcasing Students 2017 on our YouTube channel. For more information about teaching and learning, please visit our Curriculum and Instruction page on the PVSD website.
Can these clips be viewed at any time?
Yes, these can be watched at any time. Please enjoy.